Have you ever bought something on Etsy and then realized that you can't put it into Cricut and do layer cuts with it? That's what I just did today. So I figured out a way to change my PNG file that I just bought into an SVG file. So let me show you. This is the PNG file that I bought. They're Christmas penguins, and when I upload them into my Cricut Design Space, let me just show you. It turns into just a regular, so it looks like that. So it looks all nice and everything. Then it's either a print and cut or you can't do cut. So even if I go back and I do the select button like everyone else says to do it on YouTube, it's gone. Like my hat's gone. But you know, like certain things like this, you can do it, but the hat is completely gone and I need that hat. So even the candy cane, see, it's just gone. So what I did was I found a website. Let me show you what the website's called. It's called PNG to SVG.com, and it looks like this, and it's totally free. So what you're going to do is you're going to drop your file here. So I'm going to pick up file. So I'm going to do the reindeer, and I'm just going to drop it in there. So once you drop it in there, you see it here. And when you see it here, then you got to look to make sure all the colors are in here. So we have blue, black, brown, gray. I don't know where the gray is coming from, but let's just generate it and see. So you click generate, and it's going to generate the image for you on this side. And once it's done generating, then you can download it. Okay, that's perfect, except for the antlers are not black. So we're going to click this and we're going to change that to brown. Like that, change it to brown. Okay, now it's generated again. And they're still black. Okay, so we go back here, click this as black, and this, and this. Then obviously this is yellow, white, and we got the blue. There is no gray, so I'm going to take out the gray. So we got black, yellow, white, blue, and then the gray will be the brown antlers. So let's try that. Let's generate that and see if it actually goes. So it looks perfect compared to my original image. Then I'm going to download it. And I'm going to go back to Cricut Design Space, and I'm going to upload it here. So I'm going to click Upload Image, and you can browse or drop your image. I'm just going to drop it, and it is right here. So I'm going to drop it in there. That looks perfect. And I'm just going to rename this Penguin 3. Upload it, and it goes in here. Then click that, Add to Canvas, and it looks like this. So now if I want to go in, you can see all the different parts to it. And that's perfect. And that's what I want. So I thought I'd do a quick tutorial on how you can do that if you bought on accident and didn't read that it was only a PNG file on Etsy. This is another simple way to do it. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.